Hey, this is Alan from Center Networks, and I'm here with Dries, the founder of Drupal. How's it going?
Going well, thank you.
How do you like South by Southwest?
My first time, and so far I'm excited and overwhelmed at the same time.
I think a lot of people say that. All right, so we've talked a little bit about what's upcoming with Drupal 7. Can you go over some of the new stuff that's going on?
Sure. I mean, we spent 2 years, actually more than 2 years, working on Drupal 7. So there's a lot of new stuff in the release. One of the key areas of focus has been usability. So we did formal usability testing in labs. We hired usability experts, and we've actually spent almost 2 years working on improving Drupal 7 usability. So all the way from the information architecture to the visual backend design and everything else. So that will hopefully be a big win and help Drupal be accepted more. We're also making a lot of improvements for developers, making Drupal a better platform for people to build websites and modules and functionality on top of. And that goes from more and better APIs to new database abstraction layers and stuff like that. So all things combined should be a great release.
And when will it be available?
Hopefully as soon as possible. We're currently in alpha, meaning we're working down the list of critical bugs. Once all the critical bugs are fixed, we'll make the 7 release, and hopefully that's going to happen within a number of months. It's not for next week.
Yeah. And can you talk a little bit about the Drupal Gardens product?
Yeah, so Drupal Gardens is an Acquia product. It's essentially a hosted version of Drupal, like software as a service. Very much like a WordPress.com or a Ning. It's built on Drupal 7, so people will get all the great new stuff in Drupal 7. But then we added an easy on-ramp for people to get their site up and running in seconds or minutes. And then we also added something called a theme builder, which allows people to build visual designs and themes for their sites as well. So they don't have to go off and work with offline to create a custom theme. And then of course there will be a number of contributed modules that people will also be able to use on Gardens. So again, I think a great thing for Drupal to happen in general, because it's going to create more awareness and visibility for Drupal, and I think it will contribute to Drupal's growth in 2010 and onward.
And so when do you expect this service to be available?
It's currently in private beta, so we're onboarding people right now and they're starting to build websites, and so when exactly it will be ready we don't know yet, but we're adding people on a daily basis. And then of course, because it's built on Drupal 7, the date of the general availability release slightly depends on Drupal 7 as well. So hopefully around the same time frame as Drupal 7 itself.
And if people want to find out more or sign up for the beta, where do they go?
They go to drupalgardens.com, and then there they can enter their email address, and we'll send out their invites, their codes. So.
Great, thanks so much.
Thank you.